Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have graced these YouTube streets. Today I've got something super exciting lined up for you guys, a step-by-step guide on how to slay that lace frontal like a pro. So I had to go to none other than my girl KK Creations here in Toronto. She did an amazing job with this install. First things first, this is the hair that I'm using today. It's from XAlipearl. When I tell you this wig is gorgeous, this chocolate brown is everything. I've never really done chocolate brown hair before. It's my first time. And the way it just looks on my skin, even like first impressions, girl, I was impressed. One reason I love XAlipearl is that they're going to ensure they get you together right. This lace frontal is pre-bleached, is pre-plucked, and it's also pre-colored as well, and the hair quality is phenomenal. They also sent me the melting band, the hairbrush, the wig caps, just all the essentials to ensure that your wig install comes out as flawlessly as possible. I mean, take a look at this hairline. It's giving what it needs to give. This is just a closer look of the wig on my head with the lace still attached, and as you guys can see, the lace frontal is everything. It's been plucked a little bit more by Quiche, and we're going to go ahead and just trace around my ears to cut off the excess lace. We're going to go ahead and do that on both sides. Do you guys find that sometimes when you install your wigs, it starts coming up on the sides a little bit more and a little bit faster than the rest of the lace frontal? Well, to fix that, she decided to use some tape just on the side, just to give that wig a little bit more snag and to make it more secure. Once the tape is in, it's time to apply thin layers of hair glue. She was using the Ghost Bond glue, if I remember correctly, and she was going to apply the first layer, allow it to dry, apply the second layer, allow it to dry before going in with the final layer, and she allowed everything to air dry. At this point, my wig is secure, it's dry, and it's flat. So she's just brushing out my hair to ensure that it frames my face perfectly. And I'm going into the hairline one last time, and I just love how beautiful and natural this hairline looks. It's like plucked to perfection almost. For my hairstyle today, I decided to keep it very simple and very cute. I decided to just have some layers in my hair and keep it straight. This hairstyle has been on my TikTok For You page forever, and I'm like, you know what, I can't wait to have my hair looking layered and so beautiful. So she's going to go in with a straightener to just ensure the hair is super duper straight before going in with some shears to just add some layers to the hair to allow it to frame my face properly. Do you see how she's just making sections? So she's going to be trimming my hair in 3 sections. The first one is what she's plaiting right now, and she's just separating each one. And now she's going in with the shears to just give me that layered look that I love so much. We are almost at the finish line, y'all. The hair has been straightened, it's been layered, it's been secured, and now it's time to cut off the excess lace. This is the first time I'm seeing a hairstylist use a razor blade to cut my lace frontal. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous because I was holding my camera, but I tried to just hold steady, just so no accidents happen. And I feel like this allowed the lace cut to be more seamless and more clean. Look at that, like it's so close to the hairline that there is no excess lace peeking through. My favorite step is here, the final step. As you guys can see, she's just sectioning out the hair that she's going to use for my baby hairs. I decided to just, have baby hairs on my temples and just leave the sideburns to be hanging down because my hair is straight, and I just thought that would fit the vibe some more. And this, my friends, is the final look. Look at how layered this hair is. Look at the baby hairs. Look at the hair color. Everything is just so beautiful, and it complements my skin tone so much. And my eyes are like popping more. I didn't even realize how brown my eyes were until this video, to be honest. This hair just allows the brown in my eyes to shine through, and I love that for me. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. It's so beautiful, it's gorgeous. I literally have no cons to say about this hair. Like, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and it's super duper affordable as well. All the links are listed right down below where you can get my hair from. Like I said, my hair is from XAlipearl, and this is a 13x6 chocolate brown HD lace front wig. So get into it.
Funny how I kinda like this life.